A new report shows U.S. inflation picked up in August. The Consumer Price Index shows prices climbed 3.7% compared to a year ago, more than expected. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous is here with us. Alexis, break down these key numbers for us. What does this mean?
Well, this report shows that prices are higher slightly, and that is a problem for the Federal Reserve. But overall, the good news here in this report is that underlying pricing pressures remain mostly mild. So the big culprit last month was gas prices. We are all feeling it as we go to the pump to fill up our tanks. Gas prices are on the rise. Energy overall up 5.6% month over month. Also, food prices were up just slightly, and rent continues to be a thorn in everybody's side, up for the 40th consecutive month. On the flip side, though, we saw prices for used cars and trucks, which we know have been elevated. They're coming down a little bit, as were prices for things like hotels and recreation. But overall, inflation here picking up in August for the second straight month. But I think the encouraging news is that core prices, which take out volatile food and energy prices, did remain mostly mild.
But we know the Fed is aiming for that 2% target at 3.7%. We're still fairly well above that.
Right.
So what does that mean for rate hikes?
So this report is one of the last reports the Fed's going to see before they meet next week to decide the fate of interest rates. Most economists still believe, even with this report, pockets of this report being a little hotter than expected, they believe the Fed's going to leave interest rates steady next week, but it's still a debate as to whether or not the Fed will raise rates at their November meeting or their December meeting. You know, for the Fed, it's sort of like playing a game of whack-a-mole with inflation sometimes, and last month it was oil that popped its head up. So that remains a challenge for the Fed.
All right. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous. Alexis, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.